So people keep asking me what are the differences between the different lasers of the Laserworld product range, especially in the range about between 500 milliwatt and 1.5 watt. There are different units that we offer in that range, and people sometimes don't understand the differences. So let's have a look what there are key features of the very units. Let's start with the smallest one. It's the EL400 RGB. This one is a unit that is mainly intended for the use by mobile DJs and smaller nightclubs. It has automatic and sound to light control feature as well as DMX, but you cannot control it with computer. So if you want to do your own logos, texts and graphics and animations, then you need to choose a different unit. For example, you can go for the CS1000 RGB. It's a 1 watt RGB system. It's a white light multicolor, and it also has scanners inside, so you can do some basic graphics, texts and animations. And you can also control it, of course, by computer. Otherwise you couldn't do your own text and animations. So this one is computer controllable. It also has the sound to light, the automatic mode feature, and it can also be controlled by DMX. If you use lasers in a room that is not that big, you probably have the issue that the deflection angle of the laser is rather small and you cannot cover the whole room. The Proline series is especially designed for dealing with that issue. The Proline series units not only can be operated as normal lasers, they have computer control, automatic mode, sound to light mode and DMX mode, but they also have built-in glass effects. So this works like a gobo wheel in a normal moving light. It just brings in glass effects, special structured glass in front of the laser beam. So what you do as animation, text, logo, whatever you want to do, just shoot it out and you put the glass effect in front of it, and it changes the way the laser is projecting. And it also increases the angle. Depending on the glass effect you use, it can increase the angle a lot, so you can cover much more of the room. This is very helpful. I like this effect very much. It's similar to the effects that have been created with optical benches in the past. Of course, it's not that fast, but the effects you have in here are rather similar. The Proline series units are available in 800 milliwatt and 1.6 watt RGB, so there is two different options depending on the size of the room. But there is another feature, another cool feature on the Proline series, which is the SD card capability. It's got an SD card playback system inside, so you can, for example, use the Laserworld Show Editor Free, which is free software, to create your own animations, logos, text, whatever, put it on the SD card and trigger it by DMX, or use it in automatic mode and sound to light mode. This is an option that is mainly designed for mobile DJs that want to use their own projections during, for example, a wedding or on commercial shows, but they don't want to bring their computer with them. They just want to prepare everything at home and just want to trigger things by DMX. This is the perfect unit for doing that. If you're more professional and do more professional shows, require better scanning, require better beam quality and also maintenance friendly and also durability, then the Diode series is the product range to look for. This series has mainly been designed for nightclub use, for environments where you need nearly maintenance-free units. This one, for example, is the DS1000 RGB. It's a 1 watt system, full color, analog modulated, white light system, dust-proof enclosure, so you don't have any air circulation inside. Basically, you don't have any air circulation at all because it's a passively cooled system. You don't have any fans inside, so it's super silent as well, and therefore very suitable for environments like bars or installation projects or something like that. But also very suitable for the use in nightclubs and by mobile DJs. The DS1000 also has sound to light, automatic mode and DMX controllability, but of course it has the professional ILDA interface, so you can control it by computer and make your own logos, graphics, animations and content. So this was just a rough overview over the range between 500 milliwatt and 1.5 watt lasers that are offered A lot more lasers are offered by Laserworld. Have a look at our website laserworld.com and check out the different opportunities and different possibilities. Below this video you find the link to the Find Your Laser tool, where you can specify your requirements and you get a proposal of different laser systems that fit your demands.